game as Kai Balungay and Brandon Bates set to tip this one off. You see the vertical ability of Kai Balungay as Kai Balungay and Brandon Bates set to tip this one off. You see the vertical ability of Kai Balungay on that tip off.
Looking at these faces, there are no smiles on this face. These guys are serious as Brandon Ramirez gets the first bucket.
Shawnee Winston step in. Malakas pero Brandon Bates wala pa rin. Reverse layup. Isa pa para kay Brandon Bates.
You gotta appreciate Brandon Bates kasi galing siya sa pagkapanalo kanina. Itinabi niya muna yan. At ngayon, seryoso siya. 4 puntos na si Brandon Bates.
And again, just to inform everybody, meron po tayo shot clock.
Didn't that happen just now? Within
pumasok yun. Within 7 seconds. 3-point shot.
Within puntos mo magiging 3. Yun lang po yan.
At kita natin si Rivera with that trademark Pinoy step. Pangagad. Sa kabila ng
mathematician.
Kapit. Bumawi ka agad ng 3.
Yes, sir.
Hindi magiging 4 yung 3. Okay, 3 will be a 3.
It's basket, the block, rebound.
Back to back. Ripples. Wala dito kay Kapit.
10-minute mark.
Tingnan mo naman. Same spots, same result.
Meron namang nakataas sa kamay, naka-handed face sa kanya. Pero despite that, naipasok pa rin si Kenneth Kapit.
Meanwhile, Jerome Lastimosa.
Para sa player, ha? Kasi up and down. So,
pati sa atin. Biro lang.
Yung bibig natin, kailangan mabilis magsalita.
You go back the other way. Shawnee Winston using the left. Ayun, blitz 3. They called for it.
Uy, ganda naman ng pasa.
Panopio. Down to Ramirez. Blitz 3 baby. Sa kabila, ito, blitz 3 na naman yan. Nabawi na yung tatlong puntos ng rookies. Clementi.
Nice pass.
Ito na, mabilis na yung blitz 3 natin. Pag pumasok ating mga legends, sasabay ba sila sa pace na ganito? Ito mga baka natin.
Maganda tanong mo. Siguro at one point mangyayari.
Mimintes is still binatapagin kay Garcia. Ito na, blitz 3 chance, Caralipio. Ayan na nga, blitz 3 yan.
Yung kanilang eye contact him and the ating Coliseum announcer.
Ayun, Rauku! Drains a 4.
Very dahil yun na because of our blitz 3.
Panopio, babawi ng 4.
Did he say 4? Si Doubt mismo sumisenyas ng 4. He was saying...
He was way behind the 3 for the 4-point. Might have missed the blitz 3 earlier.
Several.
Panopio!
4 ulit. 4 ulit, partner.
Second chance opportunities.
Him again.
Pangatlo, Cyrus Torres. Yun ang nakakuha nila. 3-point. At lamang na kayo ang rookies. Batesy. That's, again, bringing all the energy here to All-Star Weekend. Pero nakabawi ka agad. Juniors after that timeout. King Caralipio hits a 2.
The All-Star game, but his dad is watching. My partner, Peter Aguilar from Sasmuan, Pampanga. How are you, my friend?
Arwin, parang pwede pa rin eh, di ba?
Hindi nagpapago yung pangangatawan eh, di ba? It's that lean frame.
Arwin Santos.
Partner, these are, I mentioned it kanina, di ba? Multiple, every time, puro sila yearly, in their careers, palagi silang all-star. Willie Miller was 9 times then, so... Rebound, sneaky rebound, no? Out of position.
Ping! Nakaisa naman!
Woo! Love it when the...
Atak mo ngayon. Ping ulit. Atakihin si Willie.
Blitz 3, baby. Blitz 3, baby, di ba? Drake.
Showing us na kayang-kaya pa rin. Sila Ping dito sa PBA. At dyan magtatapos ang ating first 10 minutes of action dito sa Candon City Arena. At you guys are watching the 50th season.